Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wildin' in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wildin' in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chillin', helping these plants grow. When you get your hand dirty, it's food for your soul. In the element, where you can't catch the breeze. While you break a sweat and get some dirt on your knees. In the garden, that way you can't find me. Getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing.
Yeah, man, we in this thing. One more game. It's Shadyville. About to put these dirt babies in the game. Y'all see it. We got them dirt babies that we use over there at the Outdoor Fair Farm, but it was so many that we couldn't put them all in one spot. So we gonna spread the love, make them do what they do over here at Shadyville. Y'all see we got some tomatoes, we got them onion leeks, we got a lot of different, well not a lot, but 2 or 3 different types of edible flowers. You dig what I'm saying? We got some bok choy, we got some kale, some parsley. That a bok choy, that a kale. We got some purple basil, all that. You dig what I'm saying? And we got tons of seeds. So we're gonna use this square root gardening method. You dig what I'm saying? Start basically etching out each square. You know what I mean? And foot by a foot, and that's gonna be like a little flower pot. So I'm gonna do that, you know what I mean, as well as use the companion planting method, where we put all the different types of plants together so they can work together and help each other grow in harmony and have a symbiotic relationship so that the roots and everything can help each other do what it does. So we about to go ahead, hop to it real quick, and put these dirt babies in the ground.
Jump into some garden knowledge, then your press will be really bustin', and you'll truly be ballin'. We growing and getting, we growing and getting, we growing and getting it. We growing and getting, we growing and getting, we growing and getting it. We growing with knowledge to get to that money. Now they give us that money to install their garden.
Okay, y'all see I done laid out my plants where I'm gonna put them things at, but I got some spaces in here. But don't worry about that though, we got these seeds. You dig what I'm saying? Some of these spaces like right in here, that's gonna be home for okra and some bush beans. You dig what I'm saying? We're gonna put some pole beans and some cucumbers up the back, you dig, so it can run up the trellis. And then, like I told y'all, I got them sugar babies. You dig what I'm saying? I told y'all when Cuz was here and he was basically enticing me to grow the sugar babies on the trellis, I know I had some, so we're gonna make it do what it do. He told me basically to leave a space right here so I can train the vine to run back and forth to maximize the length of the vine, but at the same time too, not let that plant take up so much space. But at the same time, we're gonna also, like I said, put them beans down in here, because them beans are the legumes that's gonna bring in nitrogen from the sky to the soil, that's gonna help feed some of them heavy feeders that's gonna be on that back row, like the watermelon and the tomatoes and the cucumbers. So, hey, how you doing? So, that's how we're gonna make that do what it do. You dig what I'm saying? About to go ahead and drop it like it's hot, put them dirt babies in the ground so they can go ahead and sprout out. You dig?
Come with me, and you will see how much fun your garden can be. Come with me, and you will see how beautiful your garden can be. Hey, now what's happening? Come get with this placking. The outdoor fresh farming so luscious and so lavish. Growing exotic, swap boosting the aesthetics. If you plan it right, you can always eat your veggies. Throwing out knowledge, I hope that you catch it. We live on this earth, so I think we should respect it. So long she been neglected, now it's our turn to change it. With
some minor changes, I'll be sure to explain it. It doesn't take much, just effort mainly. We gotta nurture Earth just like she is a baby. Bring back balance to the situation. Let Earth regenerate and she'll start busting major. Come with me and you will see how much fun your garden can be. Come with me and you will see how beautiful your garden can be. Yeah, man. Now y'all see I just planted out both of these raised beds real quick. You dig what I'm saying? They both 4 feet by 8 feet, meaning they 4 feet that way and 8 feet that way. You dig what I'm saying? So, like I said, I use a mental note now after doing the square root gardening for so long. I can kind of measure it out, and at the same time too, you can use this panel back there. You know what I'm saying? To help use that grid so you can see kind of how things are going. On the end, you see 1, 2, 3, 4 plants. You dig what I'm saying? And across the back, it's probably more than that, but it is what it is. I want this thing to grow all together in a symbiotic relationship, and at the same time too look kind of like a cottage garden with things just growing crazy and having so much proliferation in it that, you know what I'm saying, it'll be amazing. You feel me? So what I did in both of them, I put in some edible flowers, you know what I'm saying. I put in some bok choy, some purple kale, some herbs, heavy chives. Y'all see that right there? That's garlic chive. I love garlic, so I got heavy them, you know what I'm saying. Got different types of tomatoes back there, some cucumbers back there, some beans back there. You dig what I'm saying? But now you know what you got to do after you put the dirt babies in the ground. They need to get some water. You dig what I'm saying? And that's another reason why you see I planted these dirt babies in the afternoon time as the sun was going down, so they wouldn't stress out so much, you know what I'm saying, and have so much to deal with being planted in the middle of the heat and being transplanted rather in the middle of the heat and all those type of things. So let's go ahead and make it do what it does and feed these dirt babies that good hoochie water. You dig? Now, before we put that hoochie water on these dirt babies, go ahead and smash down on that subscribe button and tell a friend to tell a friend to smash down on that subscribe button too. You dig? Turn up one time. Okay then. They gon' feel this one. It's going down. Put it in the ground. Then you gotta help them dirt babies grow wild. First learn these lessons, then you reap your blessings. From the abundance your garden is giving. It's going down, put it in the ground. Then you gotta help them dirt babies grow wild. First learn these lessons, then you reap your blessings. From the abundance your garden is giving. No, it ain't no game, I'm planting seeds on a daily basis. Outdoor fresh farm, putting smiles on all they client faces. Teaching how to grow so you always have food to eat. And doing work in the garden makes you a little bit more healthy. Yeah, this the game plan. Gotta spread this knowledge to help save the world, man. To come back over warming, gotta save more green spaces and grow our own food that we eat on a daily basis. The more plants we grow, the more carbon comes out the air. The plants and trees like filters that clean up the atmosphere. We gotta take care of her so she will take care of us. And we gotta do it quick before things get too dangerous. It's tea time. Yeah, man, we just did it. Off in Shadyville, you did what I'm saying. Went ahead and put them dirt babies in the game with the seedlings and the little seed things. You did what I'm saying. But before I give y'all the rundown, let me go ahead and give these shout outs real quick. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Love is Love Farm. That's where I got these starter plants from. You did what I'm saying? They used to be over there in Decatur, but now they out in Mansfield, Georgia. Y'all make sure y'all go check them out, show them some love. Shout out to the Food Well Alliance, because that's how I got the grant to get the plants from Love is Love Farm, was because of the Food Well Alliance. They the ones who gave me that big old pile of soil that we've been putting over there at the Outdoor Fresh Farm and all these dirt babies, so we can spread the love and help plant these things around the city or wherever so they can make it do what it do and be very prolific. You did what I'm saying? Shout out to Groundwork Atlanta. Groundwork Atlanta been helping me this time with the infrastructure over there at the farm, and at the same time too helping make sure that I get things in place and are able to get things in place so that the farm can thrive and survive and grow on a daily basis. You did what I'm saying? And last but not least, shout out to Aglanta. You did. Atlanta is the organization in which I was able to acquire the outdoor fresh farm, so I'll have a platform and the space to make it do what it does, teach and show people how to make it grow, just like we're doing here in Shadyville. You did what I'm saying? Just on a little larger scale, it ain't that big, but y'all get the idea. You did what I'm saying? So for a quick rundown, what we just did, y'all saw we put them dirt babies in the ground using the square root gardening method and companion planting method. The same thing that we use with the raised beds at the outdoor fresh farm, we just use a larger scale there because those raised beds are 16 feet long by 4 feet wide. These are just 8 feet long by 4 feet wide. So it's a little condensed, you know what I'm saying? Better for a home garden such as this right here, you know what I mean? Or for a small family that might not have as much time to spend in a larger garden, and B, this is a little bit more contained, you know what I'm saying? We don't have to deal with a whole lot of weeds and things off the rip because you done put the soil in here. You did what I'm saying? Another thing is, you know, it looks aesthetically pleasing and dope, you know what I mean? And you can do whatever to the wood. You can stain it, you can paint it, you can put your own little swag on it, you know what I mean? I just advise don't put any paint or anything on the inside of the wood where the dirt will be, because then you might have chemicals that will leach into your soil, and then that will then be intaken by the dirt babies, and you will ingest that when you eat those plants. So I advise not to paint the inside. Do whatever you want to do on the outside. You see what I'm saying? And you ain't gonna be wasting so much material, because who's gonna see the inside of a raised bed anyway? Think about it. You dig what I'm saying? So yeah, man, we made it do what it does real quick. Some of the plants that we have in there: calendula, borage, cilantro, habanero peppers, Tabasco peppers, fish peppers, pop choy, nasturtium. What else I got in there? Purple kale. I got some sweet peppers, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, okras, beans, garlic chives, and I think that's and the watermelon. On both of them, we put some of that good old sugar baby watermelon. You know what I'm saying? Cuz taught me into it, so we're gonna make it do what it does. But this is just the start. You best believe it. I'm gonna put up some trellises around here, archways on the opposites, on both sides of the raised bed. I think that's gonna make it look super dope. And then at the same time too, that archway will provide more space to then grow some more of those creepy crawly plants and vining plants that need somewhere to stretch their limbs, pretty much. You dig what I'm saying? And they can grow in a very prolific manner. So at the same time too, as I've been planting around, y'all see back there behind me too, we got them blueberries back there, and they busting. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know we got the fruit trees on the other side, but I just continually just start thinking about more things that we can do around here and at the outdoor fresh farm to help the proliferation go to the next level, but at the same time too, be able to teach you more and more and have this thing looking dope-alicious. You dig what I'm saying? Because when we do that, and you have them good plants that you can ingest, I'm telling you, it'll take things on a whole nother level for you. You dig what I'm saying? Oh yeah. If I ain't tell you what I showed you, I got that Echinacea Plus. No, this ain't the Echinacea Plus. This is that green tea with the elderberry. Yeah. I switched over. I forgot about that. Yeah. So that's what I'm drinking on. Didn't want it to get too hot, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all see, I got my short pants on, as the old folks used to say. You did what I'm saying? So you know it's pretty warm out here. You did. And then, before we get up out of here, you know I got to run it down to you. make sure you go holler at that Amazon shop. You did what I'm saying? To get some of them tools, some of them books, and the knowledge that I be learning and I be dropping. You can find it there. You did what I'm saying? Jewelry, survival tools, bags, garden tools, camera tools, all kind of tools, and clothes too. You did what I'm saying? So go ahead and check that link out. You did. Also, make sure you go check out that streaming. Yeah, y'all hear them tracks in the background. Go ahead and hit it on the download so you can make it plaque wherever you at and have your speakers on explode. You feel me? Go ahead and play it for your crops and have some of them hip hop crops. Shout out to my boy Deuce for that one right there. You dig what I'm saying? So yeah, man, go ahead and get with that. And then last but not least, go holler at me on the social medias. At Lelo_Jones and at Outdoor Fresh Farm. You did what I'm saying? So you can know what we got going on all throughout the week, even when we ain't doing the YouTube thing. You did what I'm saying? Now, y'all be easy. I'll catch y'all next time, and that's what it is. Peace. I think I done switched all the way over. Yeah. That green tea and elderberry, that's for me. You dig? Outdoor fresh, outdoor fresh, outdoor fresh. We